You are now watching Showbiznap, your daily showbiz update. President Duterte natutuwa dahil nga po sabi niya isa ang Pilipinas sa listed as 12 among the 50 safest country in the world based on Gallup's 2020 Global Law and Order Report. Ito po ang kanyang naging pahayag at naisulat din po ito sa article ng Manila Bulletin. Anila, in his public address on Thursday evening, Duterte said he was surprised when he read in his daily briefer about the Philippines being included in the list. Aniya, I read that in the briefer and I was really surprised. We are in the top 50 and we are lumped with countries that are really ideally peaceful. According to Duterte, the government has to credit the law enforcer for keeping peace and order in the country. Aniya, if it's a recent survey, it's only showed that, well, we have to credit the police and the military and the other uninformed services of the government who toil to make this country at least very peaceful. At base nga po sa Gallup's report, the Philippines got a score of 84, an improvement from the 82 it got last year. It tied with Australia, New Zealand, and Serbia. Gallup based its scores on the answer of nearly 175,000 adults in 144 countries and areas in 2019. The respondents were asked to answer 4 questions about their confidence in the police force, safety when walking alone at night, stolen money or property from the household in the past 12 months, and being assaulted or mugged in the past 12 months. Malacanang thanked Filipinos for their confidence in President Duterte's commitment to maintain peace and order in the country. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa ating taong bayan at kahit papaano po kinikilala po nila ang prioridad ng ating Pangulo na panatilihin talaga ang peace and order sa ating lipunan. We thank the people for recognizing that the President continues to prioritize peace and order in the society. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque said, itong kumpanya na ibinigay nyo sa pamamagitan ng survey na ito ay patunay na patuloy tayong nagsusulong na maibalik talaga ang peace and order sa ating komunidad. This confidence that you showed through this survey is proof that we continue to restore peace and order in the community. Yan po ang naging pahayag ni Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. Topping Gallup's list was Singapore with a global index score of 97. So itong pinaka-peaceful at pinaka-safest place nga po sa Gallup's, nag-top 1 po ang Singapore. At ang iba pong kasama na Asian's country, top 50 ay kasama po ang Indonesia, 89 points, Vietnam, 86 points, Malaysia, 83 points, and Myanmar, 82 points. At nakakabigla dahil mukhang nag-take ng swipe itong si Casey Concepcion sa naging pahayag nga po na ito ni President Duterte. Sabi ng Fashion Police, Casey Concepcion comments on reaction of President Duterte on PH among 50th safest place. Parang doon sa kanya nga pong sinabi nitong si Casey, okay, is this the plot twist we been waiting for? Ibig sabihin ng plot twist, an unexpected development. Hindi natin alam kung pinupuri ba ni Casey Concepcion itong si President Duterte or medyo parang iniinsulto. Yan po ang sabi naman ng ibang kanila nga pong pagkakawari. But anyway, the fact na nasama nga daw po ang Pilipinas, ibig sabihin maraming mga adult na tinanong kung ano po ang masasabi nila ngayon sa pag-upo or ang patakaran governance ni President Duterte. At yung reaction nga po na ito ni Casey Concepcion ay hindi natin alam kung ano nga po ba ang ibig niyang sabihin. Actually, meron pa nga itong isang emoji na naka-face mask na I think siguro sinasabi ni Casey na kung talagang safe ang Pilipinas, what happened, bakit tayo ngayon ay nangangamba sa virus na kinakaharap natin. But I think hindi lang yan yung pagpapasalamat na sinabi ni President Duterte. I think may mga selected na area na talagang they follow what President Duterte kumbaga ay yung nais niyang governance. Like sa Davao, na talagang maraming nagpapatunay na sobrang peaceful doon. But anyway, napakahirap maging presidente ng isang bansa, especially yung nasasakupan mo, talagang matigas sa ulo. Sabi nga ng ilan, mukhang nagiging Frankie Pangilinan na nga rin po daw itong si Casey Concepcion. So, let's just all pray. Yan po yung unang pinasinabi nitong si Casey na marami ang umuri sa kanya na instead of, kumbaga parang tutyain mo yung mga nakaupo, ipag-play natin sila na bigyan sila ng karunungan na nagmumula sa may kapal. So, yan po ang ating showbiz snap update. Ano masasabi nyo sa ating article na ito? Ilagay ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section dahil yan po ay mahalaga sa amin. Of course, images are all credit to the respectful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.